Good morning, guys. It is 6:55 a.m. Monday morning, April 10, 2022. This had a bashment vlog, This had a run go for your popcorn, sit down for almost 10 minutes per bala for watch vlog, Right now, I am about to head out to go to the airport to pick up Swan. The daughter is back in town. As I said, the bashment vlog, naga normal. Yeah. Starts now. You would have seen me yesterday, which would have been here last week, Monday. End of the video. Yeah, I'm about to, me and mommy, we're leaving. I wonder if it's in here too dark. Yeah, so you guys would have seen me yesterday, which is here last week, Monday. Be all excited for this week because I literally have things to do every day. And I said Wednesday was my only free day, but that's actually not true because I remember that Wednesday is the week sale. It's a lucky thing, say I made my lash appointment already. I made my nail appointment already. They haven't put out a specific date for when we should collect. Like they told us it's April 11 to 15 for costume collection, but we don't know the exact date for the costume that we're wearing when we're supposed to pick it up. So yeah, we're supposed to find that out as well. And I have a couple stuff that I need to buy in preparation for the weekend. We have a couple events that we're going to go in preparation for, like, leading up to Carnival Day. And then I have a school project that I need to execute on Saturday. And I'm also going to a breakfast party on Saturday. Pray for me. It's gonna be a week. So I want to head out now to go pick up my girl. Excited, yeah. Fridays, glad my boss, but I can't remember what it was. Be glad. One like a party is back in town. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I actually need to leave right now. So I'll see you guys at the airport. So alright, so this decided to now go stay. We reach out at Palisades. We're like 5 minutes away from the airport. Why am I got on the flight track and it tell me say 1 hour 15 minutes till she reach? Now I had this conversation with her last night, and she on the itinerary that she sent me, she said to arrive at 9:10. But Divine said to me, say, remember, say we're 1 hour 8, so that would have been 8:10 for you, so that may work good because then she would board at 6 something her time. So I'm gonna say, alright, the arrival time I'm gonna be in her time as well. Or would it not? Because in any case I'm done there, and if I 1 hour 50, I 1 hour 50 wait.
You say you match it out and that's your conclusion. You sure say right?
I think so because
so 1 hour time.
When we go Bahamas did 1 hour ahead of us, right? And on the itinerary them did put the time when I got arrive there, like the time that it would be when we would arrive there, but we never remember that till just now. That's why I'm changing my mind and say never mind. If I saw my miscalculation, but I bet you early than you late. So there, I watch a fisherman named Nigel M. Shred. Over so. A Nigel M. Shred. Vehicles passing. Yes. Hungry. Never eaten a breakfast. But I say go.
I never drink that tea either.
The cooking with Lucia.
I drank some tea and crackers.
But it's to give the world good energy.
Yeah.
Period. So we're going wait. There's nothing else we can do. So. Is this love? 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 love my mother, you know. We fell asleep in the car and remote dry, and she never eats. She just got back water for everybody. She's so sweet. Thank you. You're so sweet. Acting like a true foreigner. First, yeah, brown do. You do actually. I'm not going around that. The back knife. Look on our wig.
Wow, this will come off, guys. It's going to come off.
Yes, yes.
I cannot.
Into the building.
No.
Yeah, guys. So this segment of today's vlog is called Quarantine. Because as you can see, behind me, clearly barrel calm and boss. I'm gonna get everything I'm supposed to do. Alright. So I'm gonna start off with the most basic things then first. So I got a few.
I'm on there, I put this up?
Yes.
I'm on the map.
Yes, I put this up on Monday. I got a few clothing items. One of which is a matching item with Swan, where I try to figure out which time I wear it go.
Yeah,
because actually
one.
I lied that them I tell and we are shared one.
We not share clothes. We can. We are sister, but
we not do that.
we might look on a one bag sometime. Very rare case and be like, who wear this?
Yeah, so
I wear this already a couple times, but now when you're brand new, come and buy this
how
twice.
wear it go?
I'm gonna go Panama the first time.
You can break it where she needs to read me.
I never posted it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So yeah, I get that pants there. Then she did get this in a, I think she got it in 2 colors. So she gave me the pink one because she's not a pink girly. So yeah, just the eye clothes versus. But then this now, this is a local pashment outfit. It's a skirt set. And I'm actually going to be wearing this over the weekend. We know we see when I drop it on my body how it looks and such and such it. So yeah, that's all for the clothing items. I never really asked for no clothes. Like yeah, she just been giving them out for one for you. But next up we have shoes. So the first thing is this really cute sandals. This really cute pair of sandals.
It's alright.
Love it. It looks like luxury on my foot. Like, and the quality is so good because as you can see, it's from Semi London. And I also got a pair of heels. Yeah. Really cute, really cute. And then I asked for my carnival sneakers. So this is what I'm going to be wearing on Sunday with my costume. This feels like cloud nine. It feels like I'm walking on this pair of clothes. It's so comfortable and it's not exact. So it's perfect for the road. Lovely, lovely stuff, lovely stuff. Alright. Moving on now. Because I'm waiting for something that gets to the Oh, I got this bag. This bag makes me blush. It's so cute. Like, I chose it, but like it's still like, you know? Yeah. Next up, why you have to take out my clothes, baby? I wanted sunglasses from Shein, right? But Shein did tell me say them couldn't ship it to my shipping address and I was not sure why, so I bought them separately and sent it to her. I just remember to buy them clothes when they showed me in the vlog before last. So I just bought a couple shades. So then you're not really foreign stuff. A foreign stuff for that things when we buy with when I'm money, so I'm not consider it as foreign things. Yeah. So this is the first one. I already have the outfit in mind that I'm going to wear it with, you know, really cool, calm, nude shades. This is the second one. As I say, all of them are coordinate with outfits so I buy. So yeah. This one feels like really good quality. It's like this orange. I don't really like orange, but it's to go with a specific outfit. So that's why I got this. I had a vision in mind. I don't know shoes so much, but Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This is the vibes and more time when you have shoes to really bring up that drop of color on top.
Yeah. Ooh! Boy, when I touch the camera, I'm gonna jump on this. Oh my god.
Jeez. Yes. It's giving it girl and it's squirrel.
Alien superstar.
Yeah.
Click.
Love it.
And I'm gonna wear it with. What's that? Get that weird.
It's giving, let me tell you, your hair really sleep down and that kind of like not vibed.
Yeah.
Not vibe, the low knot. And then it's like the top is giving mesh, long sleeve, minimalistic, like socan. you know what the look of me talk?
We'll talk about it off air.
Alien superstar
We'll talk about
girl.
it off the video.
You have to think about stage presence.
Me's not an artist. I want to that woman there.
You know
So when I was telling when she go out, you know, you're about to ask her which song she sing. I'm not wrong with that, you know. But me just a sing. Stage presence? What?
Why?
And the final one from what I bought was just a regular black shades because I don't have any regular black shades and it's just a slim one. So yeah, if I feel like I see enough and I want to stop seeing for the evening, drop on this, what I'm going to put business. So Suan actually went ahead and got me an additional one. I already plan one outfit room and everything because it's just a vibe. So yeah, it's this blue. I wanted one of these from like before, but then they bring up this glasses rules and I can't ship the glasses to my current address and they just forget about it. So I'm actually glad that I think she got this at Forever 21. My dad said she get me that. So moving on, we have some little jewelry here. You know, little jewelry them. Yeah, some little hoop, some big hoop, some jewelry, vibes, jewelry. And then I got this perfume. It's not even one. I don't want to know how much for this because like the size is just a joke, but it's a Lancome fragrance and it's actually. I'm sorry if I look tired. Nigga, it's like kick me brush on my earpiece since early and boy, I'm not lie, it's talking right now. But yeah, this smells so good. I'm so mad that it's this small and slim, like a strawberry, but it smells so good. So good. And finally, I also got some samples, some perfume samples. But you know what I'm saying? That's not a main event type of. That not get featured in a video first. Lastly, I got some makeup items. So first thing I got was this NARS foundation. Yeah. I also got some new concealers because my maquillage, as I was using for a very long time, it is done. So I got two Too Faced Born This Way concealers in the shade Natural Beige, a NARS foundation, and some new makeup brushes because everybody didn't watch my rants. I remember me that tell us this once and maybe some new brush, so she just go buy it with me. After her, the lovely lady, she went ahead and got me some brushes. So yeah, that's basically it. The clothes, the shoes, the glasses, them, the bag, the makeup, the jewelry. That's it. That's really it. And some room spray, but yeah. That's everything that I got. Really excited. So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna take a nap. I'm really tired. We wake up early. Alright guys, so it is Wednesday. We skipped out yesterday because we just skipped it. And I'm actually going to collect my costume now. Whenever they come back to me and tell me say a Wednesday them did say for my costume, but a Wednesday. And I actually just finished doing the wig sale. So thank you to everyone that supported. I really appreciate the love and continuous support. So but yeah, it's like I think to 3 or after 3 right now. The collection ends at 7, so you know. Still there, I sort out the wig sale stuff, but I'm going to do it on the go, you know. Yeah, so yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys when I'm at the collection area. Yeah, the them reach. I see a couple people with them feathers.
Check out.
Really, I don't know. Them look sparse. Sparse are the word, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Them look sparse. I don't know.
Maybe the color.
Maybe.
That one you never strike me. But yeah.
But yeah.
Walking in.
This is one now with our official equipment. And then I'm here.
Shut up. Just shut up.
So yeah. Pegasus them say. So Pegasus for there. How is it being back?
Nah, man. I didn't
Alright,
leave. I
alright,
really
never
didn't
mind.
leave. I feel like I've been living
See
here.
when I feel them there?
I feel like
Yeah.
I really been living here though. Like, doesn't it feel like
Yeah,
that?
look pretty from my phone screen.
Thanks. Oh my god. Oh,
Me I gotta do my lash Friday.
thank you. Say, I
My
saw my
lash?
lash. I don't make me look fat.
No, man. I didn't say that. I'm just saying
Appreciate the shitting.
you look really nice. And your lashes amplify that look. So me I gotta do mine Friday. I've been having lash appointment. I'm a bad man. Already.
Nah, she really did that.
Okay.
You booked before me.
Yeah, I did.
And look at that, me done before she.
So yeah, we're gonna walk in now and go collect our costumes. So we come to buy stockings now. Yeah, so this is a box that we got. I bought a pair of stockings. This is a bag I got from Xodus. This is really actually don't know what in there, but my suit and packet we don't know. And this is my costume. My feathers are around there, but it's gonna get customized. So I don't think I'm gonna show you guys now, but yeah, this is what we're working with. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna quickly unbox them something I wanna get. But honestly, I never expect to get like 2 something. Like me whenever they so because this day and this. So let's see. As I may buy one stocking, one V-cut stocking. So yeah, this was $3,500 for our friends. So yeah, let's see what is inside the box. Watch that girl that come antagonize my spirit now. Wow, she gave me a middle finger. Why does it feel like closing yourself? Bambats! What snacks? Can't hungry on the road.
Big belly, them why beer sodium that.
I say, I get one crackers, one Soldanza tortilla chips, one tortilla, one more that's what me I get one Bacchanal. Bomba them fill me up with baggy. I get one Bacchanal hat. I get one more Bacchanal knapsack. And one more Bacchanal funny pack. Wow. I'm gonna get one free Bijou tote bag with a purchase of any fragrance, of course, so them can keep them tote. I'm pretty sure the tote will be way less expensive than the color of them. Anyways. Yeah, so this is the cup. Them give a string. I guess we'll attach it to a costume or something if you don't lose the cup. So this is the road day cup. Get whistle for a minute now. And that's all for the box. Time for the duffel bag. This feels like it's full of snacks too. It needs to look festive. It needs to look real festive. Where should I start? Where did they put my bands, please? Okay, yeah, so these are the bands. So this is the band to jump and this is the band for food. I got a fan. Ooh, fanciness. Okay, it has Xodus on it. Feel powerful. So yeah, that's that. We're not getting the charge of the fan. Okay. I like each other. We got a visor. This says ATL. Yeah, cute little pink visor. What's this? Oh, this is another cup. But this I give more breakfast party. I don't know, this I give more sophisticated than Roddy. Yes, yeah. I say probably well enough. Probably well.
Nice going there.
Well, that's true. But yeah, this is another cup. We got a Jamdex kerchief. Don't know what that is. We got a mini deodorant. Jesus Christ, if I say people I'm green. We got a Doritos, popcorners, nacho chips, ginger tea, a Bacchanal water, a Lucozade, Durex. So
Some people really
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Some people really slap out there.
We get a Campari armband. Yeah. Another one. So what? All HIV prevention sickness, so.
Who I know in a broad daylight, which one all the people go
Me don't know in a son. I can't say.
And for they do that, clearly people that we talk.
And finally, I got a Campari funny pack. That's it. Actually, the thing is, I don't have a funny pack for guys, I don't. But anyways, that's all for what's inside the bags. So yeah. Tomorrow we're going to the Kes concert. So that's gonna be the next thing I'm gonna catch my for. So until then, yeah. Alright guys, so it is Thursday. It is nail appointment day. I washed my hair. I'm not well rested because of week deliveries. I had to get up really early to sort that out, and it cut my sleep, and I wasn't able to get the rest of my rest. So I'm sleep deprived and I want to go, and I'm supposed to be going out tonight. But as an entrepreneur, these are the things that you have to face. You're an entrepreneur. Anyways, yeah, I wash my hair. My face is being very unforgiving right now. It's really, it's yeah. So I just put my hair in a tool with camera. My nail appointment is 12 o'clock and it's now 11:30, and I haven't left home yet because of who? Yeah, the person that's always making me late, Swan. I would have gone on my own, but she decided that she wanted to get her toes done. So we have to go together. Well, we don't have to go together, but she told me that she's coming back for me, and she's coming back from a little distance. So it only makes sense for me to wait. I have no choice but to wait, but she's running late. So yeah, that's what we're doing. After the nail appointment, we're supposed to go back to we're supposed to drop off our backpacks to get customized, because I didn't show you guys, but not the vibes. So they're gonna get customized, and yeah, in the night now. We're supposed to go to the Kiss concert at Savannah Park. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, it's starting. It started. The weekend is starting, and it's Thursday, so let's go. Alright guys, so we just done with the nails. I did my nails and toes. I just trying to toe them because me not feel like them restored to them for my glory yet, but them are going with them with itself. This one, oh well, I don't know my wipe. This one got French on her toes. Them can't see it. Oh Rick, get up you. But yeah, I'm trying to get something to eat right now. She had a salad, plus she up on a diet, so she can't eat with me. I eat. But yeah, I'm trying to get something to eat, and then we're going to deal with that in the back, and then go home and start get ready for Kiss. And I'm sure. So yeah, you're excited.
I mean, for finally start go outside, you know?
Because once it starts,
so
it not
see
stop,
like the pan green, let me get a little blind now. Jeez.
Once it goes in starts, it's not stopping until Monday.
Holy. Yeah, every day. Going out every day.
We all my sleep mash up this morning.
This person driving like
so, yeah. So I get the food, I get 2 Irish moss. I got coconut water, this one over here. So I edit TikTok, so I go check out our TikTok. What is your TikTok?
Petite Essence, just like my IG.
Yeah, so I go mash up this while she drive. I'm not care, I'm not ashamed of my game. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm telling you that is true. I try to be 100% transparent. Since doing this vlog, there's been so many things that has been throwing me off. Like my vibes just continuously are broke. Like people just continuously I try to break my spirit. Like I just keep getting into little annoying encounters, and that kind of throw me off, like with my mood, and I make me feel like I don't necessarily want to pick up the camera because I'm not in a good mood. But I'm now home, and I am about to go and take a shower to get ready for the Kiss concert. I already picked up my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys now so I can have the breakdown before I just rush and go on the final look. So hold on. Alright, so this is the top that I'm wearing. It's a sweater that I got from my Shein package the other day. I'm pairing it with this short pleated white skirt. I'm wearing the blue glasses that Swan got me, my silver necklace, silver watch, and I'm wearing my boots that I wore for my birthday. So I think it's a vibe. I think it's really cute. So, and I'm just bringing that back because it's big enough to, just ignore it, but it's just big enough to hold my backup shoes for when my foot gets high. So this is the fit. I'm gonna be on Swan's TikTok with her getting ready. So if you guys haven't checked that out, you can definitely go ahead and check it out and things. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower now. Like, it's honestly annoying me how the week is turning out, and I don't really have an expectation of Sunday, but I hope it's gonna go well. But yeah, so I'm gonna go shower now, guys. So this is Swan's outfit of the night. Giving, and me just look bigger, extra. Look at the artist. Listen, you're going out, wear your clothes, and don't make nobody make you feel no way. Exactly. Yo, everybody there, guys. I'm in a shot. I feel like every soccer event though, them make you feel like you can't dress up. But guess what? You see that bag here? Full of zip. So if we want to take off our shoes, they're coming off. Guys, does she do her makeup now?
Makeup slayed.
Anyways.
Guys,
Finally let me through. Finally get the visa. I'm belly full enough. Belly full. Alright guys, so it is now Friday. Again, I am tired. I'm about to head to my lash appointment now. It's currently minutes to 11. It was supposed to be 11, but they messaged me that they're running behind schedule and it would have to be pushed on to 11:30. I am going to sleep on that lash and on that bed. I'm gonna sleep because I'm so tired. Later on today, I have a couple stuff that are school related that I need to get done, and then later on we're going to go to Juve. I also need to ship off the international packages for the week sale and get some. I don't buy the ear when I use Sunday. I know like it's supposed to put it tomorrow. I don't have it. I don't have nothing. So after my lashes are done, I think we're gonna drop off. We're gonna ship off the stuff, then go and collect our wings. I could kind of see how the day flow, but right now I just know that I'm headed to my lash appointment. Alright guys, so 8. But anyways, we're in halfway through. Finally, I went to the post office after I finished my lashes. Finally, I got buy the ear. Finally, going to buy the ear for the ponytail. So when over here, so sweet up.
I have to put on little lotion because I never put on none of me get fresh.
You're dry. Anyways, yeah, I'm so little. I need to buy. Very hungry.
Like
Very
a dog.
hungry. Very hungry. But yeah, after I would leave here, we're gonna go home, and then what time do I start?
I know.
I'm thinking in my bag, but I have some stuff to do for school, so I'm gonna deal with it as I'm get home, and then afterwards we can think about Juve. Right. Just my luck. The ear store don't want it there anymore. But very. See that?
Which foot you book?
My left foot.
What that mean?
I don't know. That did have meaning when you book your foot. I don't know where girl I come from, man. Anyways, I'm very hungry, I'm tired, and I'm annoyed. Not a good mix. I just need to get to the food right now, right? Alright guys, so I am ready for Juve. This is my outfit. I got this thing off Shein. I think it was like $2 at most. This is the bikini top that I got by itself the other day when I ordered the package, so I thought might as well. I recycle one of my blue jean shorts them. I'm wearing this pink and white sneakers, and I'm ripping Bacchanal with my pink hat. I'm also wearing this little bag that I wore for my last birthday. So yeah, this is the outfit. It's the shorts front might look kind of weird because I had to do the button through the loop, but yeah, this is it. This is the outfit. We're ready to go. It's a fresh face kind of night because yeah, I know that we're going to sunrise, so I need to Juve, so it never make no sense for the no makeup. And this is, she just walk out there, friend. How rude. But yeah, that's one. But yeah, we're gonna leave now. Alright guys, we're here. We made it. Finally find parking. We're walking in. This one's vlogging for TikTok.
Uh-oh, that does that song.
Get it? We're on our way home. Yeah, it's 1:15. We're on our way home. When you're open, at the end of the day, them now go draw my body on the road, so okay. That's how one thing, right? I'm not go overexert myself and can't perform when it's necessary. So we're leaving. Alright guys, good morning. It is Saturday, April 15th. Sunrise time. It is currently like a couple minutes past 6, and yeah, I know I'm up, my bouncing off the walls like say. Yeah, I actually got some sleep. I got like 3 hours rest, but I feel energized. I feel like I get a full night's rest and I'm ready to go. I just finished my makeup. I finished getting ready. If you want to see that, the Get Ready With Me is on, I'm not sure if it's posted yet, but it's gonna be on Swan's main channel, Petit Sous Divinity. So if you don't want to watch it, you can catch that. So it's talk about man and something there. So yeah, if you want to see that, go over there. But I'm gonna finish putting on my clothes now. As you can see, I have on my top because it is a turtleneck, and if I was to attempt to put it down over my face, the face would have wipe off. Let's be honest, it would have wipe off. So I'm gonna put on the rest of my clothes now, and then I'll show you guys the outfit, which is gonna be similar to RFB, to be honest, because yeah, I'm wearing back the same bag. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the outfit.
Wow, I got them by there.
This black skirt, as I said, I'm wearing, but this bag with it, Miss Ma'ams is giving Athena Greek goddess. Yes. Yeah. So this is it. This is
Perfume, you put that perfume?
yeah. You don't smell me? That means somebody forgot to put on somewhere. This is the outfit. This is the face. So yeah, we're about to leave now.
Let's have some fun. Fuck downstairs.
Alright guys, so we left the party like 30 minutes ago. Honestly, I'm not impressed. Not impressed. When I can tell something under no little influence, no little nothing. It was all... How you feel about it, son?
I mean, it felt like a $6,000 party.
To be very honest.
I mean, to be honest, my foot dirty. Like I just feel like the setup for the way that it is promoted wasn't like executed to the T.
Yeah, I feel dirty.
And it was 2 hours late.
Yeah, we got
People
there.
Them says 5 o'clock it starts, and they never letting people till to 8.
We saw someone there. She said she was there from 6 o'clock, and when she got there, they never done set up. The party is advertised to start at 5 a.m. We thought we were late. We got there like 7:30, and we had to stand up for like half an hour and wait to be let in. Right? And then the vibe, I don't know, but I don't think
The music did lower.
And of course, it's
And then oh my gosh, and then all of that, I think it's like a premium type of party. Then why you have to go in and still pay if you get a table? You have to go in and still pay to get a table.
Then put on like 3 tables. And it was a good space, but I'm pretty sure we're the only one that's going to have a complaint.
The people.
I'm pretty
People
sure
don't really speak up
we're
like
the
that.
only ones that are gonna complain because I don't even know about that said because y'all know how Jamaican people are there. So yeah. So we're there in Nigeria true. I'm about to go home and wipe off my makeup, try a quick wash off and change my clothes and head up to UTech to execute my domino tournaments. I've been posted it. If they never want to win the money, $10,000 give for lick to domino and never come. If you don't come, you know, because I will be there with you guys. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and then I will go home. I forgot to soak my foot in a little salt because trust me, my foot hurt me, and that's the next part will get me upset. It's like I'm here standing for so long for basically nothing. I don't feel fulfilled, right? But so yeah, I go home, go soak my foot when I'm done, and do my ear in the ponytail where it's supposed to, and groom myself because I need to remove my ear off of my body. For come out tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow the day.
Sure, no problem. And for your yard staff. Why?
But tomorrow the day, tell them no, I'll know this again and not try and fear costume, you know? I mean, nah. Look on her. Me nah look on she. You're going to go sleep.
No, me have the vlog for it. Sleep.
Yeah. We're not going to no more event till, until tomorrow. Like, I said we're not going to no more event like it's a day or two in between. It's literally a couple hours. So, yeah. So, I soon I'm reach home and I do my hair. So guys, I'm here at school. I'm here, made it in good time. Started setting up for the domino tournament. As I said, it's not a big event, it's just a graded event that we need to execute with some strangers. So yeah, night before Carnival files, trying to figure out how to do the ponytail because I don't know how to conceal my hair.
I don't know what. I don't know.
I go for tell her.
No man, I look on this over here.
I think the floor is giving low vibrational vibes right now.
Hello, I tell you when the earthquake is shaking me.
Earthquake going to the I feel it, and it was a 5.1 magnitude.
Yes,
yeah, it was.
Yes.
So I'm sitting in front of one vehicle and just see it start shake and shake.
When me have got makeup,
if you're too tired. Tired.
No, when the cause you and boy they just pass him, then I walk and I jerk up the place, or the place I jerk up so. But then sit here, I feel it ago. So see me.
It was literally doing
so hear me now.
What?
But this is a earthquake. The girl I look to in the car, she not talking.
Yeah.
This is a earthquake. I'm look at
I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Me did a run, so me never feel it.
Earthquake and it's smooth because I remember experiencing an earthquake when we lived down south. Remember me had my makeup that is really sick.
And I was laying in the bed and I was so shocked, like I could not move. Yeah, earthquake going on there something there. Place did at. I don't know what going on honestly, but Carnival.
Wow.
I was in the song, man.
Why? Which song that?
Earthquake.
Oh, every time we walk, we call it earthquake. Baba! Suppose I didn't want to wear my shit happen. And them go bust the Ashley. Every time we walk, we call it earthquake. Boom, take that. Nothing. God forgives me. But anyway, we're gonna figure this out. And when we figure it out, I'll come back. Good morning, guys. You know what happened? The girl them oversleep. I look off my alarm knowingly, and I say, but I'm tired. Go back, go sleep. I'm in my head, I wonder while my brain I lock off back in there. What time I go wake up if I don't wake up now? I'm say, you know, I'm not saying nothing. So I jump out of my sleep at 7:19. And what time I tell Charles to come for? 9:30. Yeah.
Nobody repeat that.
Yeah. I jump up out of my sleep and my friend, I run and wake up Swan. She come like she did last fear it for fear food. Like the two of us, sir.
You know what
None no better than none.
My bed. Me go my bed late. Me had there edit vlog. Me catch up on vlog. You catch up on your vlog?
Me add the clip then.
Yeah, add the clip them. Oh, okay. Girl. Yep, it's a struggle.
I'm there go and do makeup and then I go fix my hair real quick and then go, why this so close to my face? Yeah, try done my career.
Nobody not tried nothing. Easiest way.
So me catching on the makeup done. I may fix the hair. Alright guys, so this is the hair. I added some gems to the top because I don't want to put any on my face because it's breaking out. This is the ponytail. This is the face. I'm going to start eating. I'm going to start putting on my costume now because Travis is supposed to come at 9:30 and it's 9:20. So I'm gonna start doing that. I really like the vibe that's going on with my hair. So I'm gonna go put on my costume right now. Alright guys, so one piece of something. Top man forever will be a top man. Him wait for half hour cause when him reach we just start putting on costume. Be a rushing in here, I don't get dressed, yeah? In here I put on my shoes and then something, I don't cut off the string and then something. So we're on our way to catch the march. We're not entirely sure where they are. We're like 25 minutes, half hour late. But I don't think they move far past Devanos. But we are look on Devanos right now and people are driving, so I'm not sure what's going on.
So them part and nobody now go march so.
Hold on, what going? Them left? Them gone up?
Which part them a walk? Up that side yeah, everybody a go that way yeah.
Them gone?
That means that up so.
Yeah. So I have to go walk soon.
Marati, but we not even put on wing.
Travis, go over and pop on the side and make we take out the wing and put on your hazard. So apparently we're here. I have to go walk up the road. Alright guys, so we're on the way and catch a truck. The truck is right up there. But it's like many ones I gotta go picture before I'm going on the madness, you know, and it just not work. It not work out. You understand? But I forget it before I'm going at the masses. Can't go in there, go sweat up.
No, for sure.
And then take pictures. Yeah, we're gonna take them right now. This is Bacchanal's lunch spot. I'm glad they separated the car bomba. The other them would have. I wonder if them have edge brush or edge control in there, so let me fix my edges. Hi. My shoulder want massage. But me have to eat first. When you can't save one spot for me. I want to get the massage for my shoulder. God see and know. You go on. This is the vibe. Yes, Jesus. I got my lunch. I'm getting a massage. I got a cold rag. It's another Bacchanal one today. Right? And they're still coming in. We run come up by front. I won't go.
Alright guys, so we just left lunch. I got some juice and I took a headache pill. We decided that we're gonna keep it with because I was online and everyone was saying just rub somebody oil on my shoulders and put them back on. And we adjusted them for the release time. So we're keeping them. We posted our pictures. This one over here is still posting stuff. We have about 8 minutes now to go for the run, so we're ready. We're ready for the after lunch march.
When I get at dinner, so about bad dogs. Fun. We're showing that grass. This is the same thing we did last year. Only difference we were drunk.
Drunk. We never know ourselves.
We're not drunk this time. Our drive is on the way. So we're content. Listen, you know how long me I say I want this?
Travis pick way up last year, same way.
You know how long me I say I want this?
Battery day.
Content. Alright guys, so it's time to give you guys a review of Carnival Day. It's currently Monday. When you're seeing this video, same day. But before I do that, I want to give a quick shout out to Travis's something from what? I don't think so. I want to give a quick shout out to Travis's Carta business, okay? So Travis is the driver that took us to meet the march. I've been using him since, well, we've been using him for a very long time. We've been using him since I was 14 years old and I'm now 22. So, you know, I'm basically become a family friend, and he recently started, he's always been a driver, but he recently started his own thing. It's called Chulum Tours. So you guys can book him for your pickups, excursions, pickups from airports, excursions, regular charter services, and any other travel needs that you have. Whenever we're going outside of the parish, we normally use him and stuff. Very trustworthy person. So yeah, that's his information right here. Hold on, I don't know if I not see it properly. Right, so that's his information right there. As I said, his name is Travis, and that's his phone number. You can contact him at, or his email or Instagram. So yeah. So now let's talk about the experience on the road. First of all, I can say that it starts on time. As I told you guys, we were about 30 minutes late, and them did journey up the road already. They weren't too far because, you know, say it's not like it's a sprint, you know, you're just chipping on the road. So it was pretty easy to catch them, but this is not in regards to the band or anything. It was just hard for us to get. I honestly don't like my pictures that I got in my costume. I don't know, the lighting was off because with a rush. The lighting did off. I never get enough time for really, I don't know. I just get some picture and I have to pick the best out of the worst and post. I don't really like them. Like, yeah, I don't like them, but you know, we did want to post something for sure, say Jamaica Carnival. Anyway, overall, I rate the experience as 7 out of 10, and that's because I had a really good time, you know. Don't get me wrong, I had a really good time, but the roads that we marched on were too narrow and the crowd was very heavy. So you found that every time the truck was turning, it was miserable. Every time the truck had to stop, it was miserable because everybody want to have on them backpack and some of the backpack them stiff, so it kind of hard and yeah. So that's one of the things why I get 7 out of 10. The other reason why I got 7 out of 10 was because it wasn't easy for me personally to get drinks. Like, I would see 3 trucks back to back with the opening, and when I go there, it's not a bar. And me I say, oh, me I go reach all the way around at the back in this a thick crowd, yeah, just forget a cup of liquor. So throughout the whole day, I only had 3 drinks because of that, because the crowd was just too thick for me to get to a truck that was serving drinks. And every time, to all me unlucky, whenever I did find a truck that was that had liquor, they told me they weren't serving. So those 2 things really knocked off the 3 points. But regardless of that, I still had a good time. The sun wasn't too hot. We actually thought it was gonna rain because the day was cloudy, so it wasn't super hot or anything. They played good in my opinion. We had performances both from the truck, and we passed this like watch party, and I don't performed, as you guys saw. So yeah, we never go no after party or nothing. When the truck reached back at Trafalgar, we just go in at the house, call back to come away because we did tired. But yeah, I rate it a 7 out of 10. This is my 4th time jumping, and I must say this is the most people I've ever seen on the road. It was a massive carnival, okay? It was huge. When I time I couldn't believe how much people may I say. Like, that's why I was saying the roads that were too narrow. And it's not a case where you're gonna say, oh, but they wouldn't know, because of course you're going to see the amount of people that are registered, so you should say, okay, do we think this amount of people can hold on these roads? You know? Yeah. Yeah, that's my 2 little thing them there. The road too narrow and not enough bars. Or them nah, the bar, whenever you reach them I tell us them nah serve no liquor. Like, we not have specific time slot where we not serve liquor or what. You know? So yeah, that's it. The week, as I say, what the political setbacks the other day. Like a 19 group 1, but we pushed through. The best event that I went to was the Kiss concert. And that was because I feel like we didn't stay at Juve, so we never really get to experience Juve. And the breakfast party, as I said, I never really enjoy it. I'm not gonna even say I never really enjoy it, I never enjoy it. And yeah, so that basically sums up my 2023 Carnival experience. I hope you guys found the video entertaining. I hope I didn't bore you. I hope it doesn't look too all over the place. And yeah, I tried my best. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.